Don't forget to visit Chatuchak Market. Wednesday and Thursday, mga kakules, only plant bazaar. Are you ready for this? Here we go! Wow, it's only 35. 3 for 100. 4 for 100 baht. This one is 2,500 baht. Oh, ayan mga kakules, this is really cheap. Frangipani trees. 100 baht only. These are so cool. 150 baht. Sawadika. Pi, ani ท่าไหร่คะพี่เท่าไหร่คะ 150. Oh, 150 baht for this. ชื่ออะไรคะพี่อะไรนะคะ Toxinia. Wow, very beautiful. 150 baht. Oh, roses. What are these? Very tiny. Oh, it's like the rubber plant. 150 baht. เท่าไหร่คะพี่50 baht. Only 50 baht. Shopping tips. You can ask discounts here if you buy at Chatuchak Market. And again, at Chatuchak, you can find some unique collections of different things, like one of a kind. They do have here. Even this mga kules, what do you call this, honey?
It's just wood blocks.
Wood blocks, but cut into unique design. So, honey, what did you buy?
I bought a piece here that I'm going to do a resin for another stand. I have to come back here and buy some more stuff.
Bougainvillea. So this one is 350 baht. Wow, very, very beautiful plants. And this one is 500 baht. The lady said if you live here in Bangkok, if you buy a lot, they will actually send the plants. Yeah, they deliver. Please comment below. What is this plant? Oh wow, it almost looks like fake. The fruit. I have no idea. These are all 20 baht. So if you are cactus or cacti lovers, please go to Chatuchak Market because you can buy the cacti cheaper here, way cheaper. Oh, these are beautiful.
I don't know. I've never seen a cactus with those purple flowers on it.
It's beautiful. It's like what?
The COVID virus. Looks like because of the way it's shaped.
That's right. That's right.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful cactus. I wonder what cactus type are these. So mga kakules, if you know, please comment below. Because it's quite unique. This right here, this is 200 baht. And this one, the virus-looking one, 150 siya, Maika? This one, these are 150 baht. Oh, they are so pretty. See this, mga kakules? This is only 300 baht. In our place, it's like 600 to 800 baht. But here, it's half the price. Monstera. This one with the yellow leaves are, tao lai pi? 2,500. 2,500. Oh, how do they do this with yellow leaves? But these, only 150 baht. Way, way cheaper. $1,000 baht. This is massive cactus. This one is, pita lai ka? Ani ka? Yay. 3,000 baht. Woohoo! This one is 3,000 baht. This is massive. It's like the size of a basin. Cattleya, 150 baht. These are all beautiful. Cheapest 500 baht.
500 baht. 800 baht.
Oh, so yeah. Mixed price, mga kakules. But the cheapest is 500 baht. Oh wow, these are beautiful.
3,500 baht.
Whoa, tamay pengpi. 3,500 baht. Oh, that one 3,500. And this one, oh, very big.
นี่สานี่เท่าไหร่
Oh, 3,500. Wow. I think owning this cacti, you need to be well off and rich. Oh, just one is 3,500 for the biggest flower. And look at that big flower. Oh, I'm so confused right now. They are all so nice and cheap. Well, some of them are very, very cheap. Oh my gosh, look at this.
อันนี้150ค่ะ150
And the big one?
the big one 300 ค่ะ
Oh, ano pinalay ka? Bonsai la ka?
bonsai ค่ะ
Oh, wow. Like tiny palm trees. They almost look so real. They are like
It is
fake plants, but they are not fake. This is 60,500. And this is bonsai. Oh, wow. Like this. Again, mga kakulis, these are orchids.
ในบ้านเลยพี่แล้วเสร็จแล้วพอมันตายแล้วไม่ต่อตัดเฉพาะก้านดอก
Catleya, siya pa? Yes. Yes. These are Catleya and these 600 baht, but these are at least what? Five pieces. Five. Yeah. Look how beautiful they are. If you buy one, 150 baht, but if you buy 5, 600 baht. Look, because each has an individual pot. Oh, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, wow. Ani chi alay ka? Like wa alay ka?
อันนี้เป็น Bromeliad
Ah, Bromeliad. Yes. Guys, Bromeliad for 400 baht. Look. Sa mga kulis, please comment below. This is very, very, very nice. Look at this. It's almost like fake. And it has flowers. They do have flowers. And these are aerial plants. You can just hang like this. Like this. No soil needed. Just a piece of wood. And you just spray it twice a week. Please comment below if you know the name of this plant. Maybe I don't have time to do all the plants or each stall kasi this place is really big. As I said before, it's massive. This is very beautiful. 4,500 baht. And the tiny one is 200 baht. Please comment below if you know the name of this plant. Fiddle leaf. เท่าไหร่คะพี่
ครับนี่แหละครับ
ค่ะ 200 baht only here. My gosh. Do you know how much is this in our area? This is like 2,000 baht. อันนี้ปี rubber plant เท่าไหร่คะ
ต้นใหญ่400ครับ
Oh, it's only 400 baht. Shout out Judeng. Stanley Laruan. So imagine mga kulis, in our area, by Sukhumvit Road or by Patanakan Road, all the plant nurseries, this size of fern is actually 350 to 400 baht. But here, it's only 150 baht. Imagine how cheaper compared to the ones near the city. Massive fern right here, mga kulis. 1,200, oh my gosh! Beautiful, look! It's only 1,200. Oh. Wow, wow. So, again mga kulis, if you want to buy plants, please go visit Chatuchak Market every Wednesday and Thursdays. Siya may kapi. Ani per Wednesday, kap Thursday. Songwan.
3
Ah,
อังคาร
Angkan Tuesday. Oh, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. In the morning, they open at 6 o'clock.
What time do you close?
6 p.m. Yes, if you are going to decorate your house with plants or do some unique and beautiful landscaping and you want to decorate it with different plants, Chatuchak Market is the best place to buy because, again, the prices here are very, very cheap. I saw crop plant, 100 baht, calamansi, or lime trees. Sawadee ka, no? Wow! เท่าไหร่ka, no?
นี่คือ5,000
Hapan, 5,000 baht for this.
yes yes
And this one,
this
the big one.
is about 12,000
Whoa! Very beautiful.
all of this is buy from China
From China.
Yes.
Whoa!
It takes
12,000
so
baht.
long to do this.
Yes.
about 20 years
Yeah.
for this
Yeah.
Really? 20
Yes.
years? Wow.
And just meticulous care.
This one is very expensive, right?
this one is about 25
25,000. Ooh, very beautiful. Wow, look at these. Different kinds of planters, very pretty, I would say. Beautiful design. The color is just magnificent. It's, again, I'm gonna say this one more time. They look fake, but they're not. They are super real. 9,000 baht. Oh, not bad. These are 9,000 baht. And this, เท่าไหร่คะพี่
250ครับ
Oh, wow, they are so cheap here. 250. เท่าไหร่นะพี่ Ooh, 50,000 baht for this. Woo! So the reason why this one is very expensive because it's not very common and it's hard to find, I guess. So again, mga kules, this plant cost 50,000 baht. Sawadee ka. 20 baht. So I'm gonna buy.
That's awesome. Love that. Love that shape. Actually, all of these are pretty cool.
Whoa. What is this? เท่าไหร่คะเท่าไหร่คะ25,000 20 20,000 25
Oh, that's not bad at all.
25,000
All bonsai.
These are all bonsai. This one is 58,000.
70,000.
Whoa, and this one is 70.
Look at how it has the rock. The
Wow.
grip holding the rock down.
But these are all just amazing.
Look at this one.
This one is 7,000 or 5,000. The tiny one, maybe they are cheaper, of course. And this one, whoa, 40,000. This one is 40,000 baht.
That's beautiful. I don't know how they got the wood black.
This is 38,000. Look. Whoa. This one is a little cheaper, 2,500. Wow, this one is 18,000 right here. This one is 18,000. Here. 28,000. This is 18,000. Wow. And this one is 6,500 baht. Bonsai. The lady said, correct me if I'm wrong, she said it's euphorbia plant.